Hello everyone, Basir here. In this video, I'm going to highlight benefits of joining the membership on my YouTube channel. While my free coding course on YouTube give you a great foundation, I know a lot of you might be interested in taking your e-commerce website building skills to the next level. That's where my YouTube channel membership comes in. As a member of Coding with Basir, you'll get exclusive access to a library of premium videos focused on building advanced e-commerce functionalities like those found on Amazon. These videos cover things like in-depth payment gateway integration, building robust shopping cart system, implementing user authentication by Google Auth, Magic Link, and more, optimizing your website for search engines, and much more. By joining the membership, you'll not only get access to this exclusive content, but you'll also be supporting the channel and allowing me to create even more helpful videos for you in the future. Think of it as an investment in your coding skills. With the knowledge you gain from these premium videos, you can create professional-grade online stores that rival the big players like Amazon. If you're interested in joining the membership, simply click the join button. Thanks again for watching. I hope you consider joining the membership and taking your e-commerce website building skills to the next level. Happy coding!